शिकवा करो या शिकायत करो, शिकवा करो या शिकायत करो, पर मैं तुझी से मुहब्बत करूं, पर मैं तुझी से मुहब्बत करूं।
बागी बनूं या बगावत करूं, बागी बनूं या बगावत करूं, पर मैं तुझी से मुहब्बत करूं, पर मैं तुझी से मुहब्बत करूं। सारे जहां के सितम मुझको दे दे, आजा सनम अपने गम मुझको दे दे। मुझको भी आता है वादा निभाना, तेरे लिए छोड़ दूंगा ज़माना। मुझको भी आता है वादा निभाना, तेरे लिए छोड़ दूंगा ज़माना। खुशियाँ मिले प्यार में चाहे गम, होंगे जुदा हम नया, रूठूं या तुझसे शरारत करूं, रूठूं या तुझसे शरारत करूं, पर मैं तुझी से मुहब्बत करूं, पर मैं तुझी से मुहब्बत करूं।
शिकवा करो या शिकायत करो,
बागी बनूं या बगावत करूं,
पर मैं तुझी से मुहब्बत करूं।
तुझी से मोहब्बत करूं,
पर मैं तुझी से मोहब्बत करूं,
पर मैं तुझी से मोहब्बत करूं। धड़कन में पहले कभी जगी ना, इश्क में एक पल की भी जुदाई, इश्क में एक पल की भी जुदाई लगती है एक साल, इश्क में एक पल की भी जुदाई लगती है एक साल। तेरी कसम तेरे प्यार में साजन मेरा हुआ बुरा हाल, ओए 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 मेरा हुआ बुरा हाल। इश्क में एक पल की भी जुदाई लगती है एक साल, तेरी कसम तेरे प्यार में साजन मेरा हुआ बुरा हाल, ओए 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 मेरा हुआ बुरा हाल।
तेरी कसम तेरे प्यार में साजन मेरा हुआ बुरा हाल, ओए 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 मेरा हुआ बुरा हाल।
चाहत में दो जहां हम भुला बैठे, भुला बैठे।
पलकों में सपने हम सजा बैठे, सजा बैठे।
दूर जाके दिलरुबा दिल नहीं लगता, नहीं लगता।
जिस्म जान से अब जुदा हो नहीं सकता, नहीं सकता।
रात दिन तड़पेंगे जान से जाएंगे,
बिछड़ के दिलबर से नहीं रह पाएंगे।
ओ, आठों पहर अब जाने तमन्ना रहता है तेरा ख्याल, तेरी कसम तेरे प्यार में साजन मेरा हुआ बुरा हाल, ओए 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 मेरा हुआ बुरा हाल, ओ मेरा हुआ बुरा हाल, ओए मेरा हुआ बुरा हाल। इश्क में एक पल की भी जुदाई लगती है एक साल। तेरी कसम तेरे प्यार में साजन मेरा हुआ बुरा हाल। ओए 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 मेरा हुआ बुरा हाल। ओ मेरा हुआ बुरा हाल। ओ मेरा हुआ बुरा हाल। नहीं ये हो नहीं सकता कि तेरी याद ना आए, बिना तेरे कहीं भी दिल मेरा अब चैन ना पाए। तुझे भूलने से पहले मेरी जान चली जाए, तुझे भूलने से पहले मेरी जान चली जाए। नहीं ये हो नहीं सकता कि तेरी याद ना आए, बिना तेरे कहीं भी दिल मेरा अब चैन ना पाए। तुझे भूलने से पहले मेरी जान चली जाए, तुझे भूलने से पहले मेरी जान चली जाए। ओ मेरी जान चली जाए, ओ मेरी जान चली जाए, ओ मेरी जान चली जाए, ओ मेरी जान चली जाए। अगर मुझ पे यकीन ना हो, मुझे तुम आजमा लेना। मैं तुमसे प्यार करता हूँ, जहाँ चाहे बुला लेना। तोड़ूंगा ना ये वादे वफा, ये वादे वफा। मैं आशिक हूँ दीवाना हूँ, कोई क्या मुझको समझाए। नहीं ये हो नहीं सकता कि तेरी याद ना आए। तुझे भूलने से पहले मेरी जान चली जाए, तुझे भूलने से पहले मेरी जान चली जाए। ओ मेरी जान चली जाए, ओ मेरी जान चली जाए, ओ मेरी जान चली जाए, ओ मेरी जान चली जाए।
नहीं ये हो नहीं सकता कि तेरी याद ना आए, बिना तेरे कहीं भी दिल मेरा अब चैन ना पाए। तुझे भूलने से पहले मेरी जान चली जाए, तुझे भूलने से
ये हो नहीं सकता कि तेरी याद ना आए, बिना तेरे कहीं भी दिल मेरा अब चैन ना पाए। तुझे भूलने से पहले मेरी जान चली जाए,
तुझे भूलने से पहले मेरी जान चली जाए,
तुझे भूलने से पहले मेरी जान चली जाए,
तुझे भूलने से पहले मेरी जान चली जाए।
पागल दीवाना है ये प्यार करेगा। दिल पागल दीवाना है ये प्यार करेगा। दिल पागल दीवाना है ये प्यार करेगा। ये कब डरा है दुनिया से जो अब डरेगा। ये प्यार में धड़का है ये प्यार से धड़केगा। ये प्यार में धड़का है ये प्यार से धड़केगा। ये कब डरा है दुनिया से जो अब डरेगा। दिल पागल दीवाना है ये प्यार करेगा। ये कब डरा है दुनिया से जो अब डरेगा। तख्तो ताज की परवाह नहीं करता। रस्मो रिवाज की परवाह नहीं करता। दौलत से खरीदोगे तो इनकार करेगा। दौलत से खरीदोगे तो इनकार करेगा। ये कब डरा है दुनिया से जो अब डरेगा। दिल पागल दीवाना है ये प्यार करेगा। ये कब डरा है दुनिया से जो अब डरेगा। ज़मीं रोके मगर हम रुक न पाएंगे। दीवारें तोड़ के सारी हम तुमसे मिलने आएंगे। फलक रोके ज़मीं रोके मगर हम रुक न पाएंगे। दीवारें तोड़ के सारी हम तुमसे मिलने आएंगे। मोहब्बत झुक नहीं सकती ज़माने के झुकाने से। मोहब्बत मिट नहीं सकती ज़माने के मिटाने से। कहता नहीं है दिल करके दिखाएगा। तूफान में चाहत की शम्मा जलाएगा। ये जुर्मे वफा दिल तो 100 बार करेगा। ये जुर्मे वफा दिल तो 100 बार करेगा। ये कब डरा है दुनिया से जो अब डरेगा। दिल पागल दीवाना है ये प्यार करेगा। ये कब डरा है दुनिया से जो अब डरेगा। ये प्यार में धड़का है ये प्यार से धड़केगा। ये कब डरा है दुनिया से जो अब डरेगा। दिल पागल दीवाना है, ये प्यार करेगा।
Hi, good afternoon. The power of believing in yourself. 2020 is here. 2020 is here. Are you happy? I am excited. I just thank God for 2020. Thank God for 2020. Thank God for 2020. Amazing. I'm just gonna wait a few minutes so a few people can come, man. It's been a while since I came live by myself. I'm always live, but either with my co-host or my host, Dr. Francis. So as you come in, please let me know where you're watching from. Give me some love and say hi. Hello. Give me some love and say hi. Happy 2021. Happy 2021. I'm excited. It's a great year. A lot of good things happening. The energy is good. It's the best time to take advantage of season. Because a lot of people are like, oh, Christmas just passed, nothing is happening. But it's the best time to put your strategies and your plans in place. So as you come in, say hi. Today I'm going to be talking about the power of believing in yourself. As we start the new year, we just need those renewers. It's a lot of things that I'm going to say today. It's nothing new. There is nothing new. But what is important is that it just gives you that reminder of what is the information is out there and the actions you can take and the things that you can do to succeed this 2021. So as you come in, say hi. Let's see you. Let's know who is watching and where you're watching from. Hi, everyone. I'm going to dive into my topic for today. So my topic for today is the power of believing in yourself. 2021 is here. 2020 came with a lot of uncertainties. A lot of people had plans and things change. Lavis, thank you so much. Happy New Year. Thank you for joining. So a lot of things happened and people got discouraged, got distracted. Hi, Bella. Thank you for joining. Thank you for joining. Yeah, so a lot of people got distracted. A lot of people feel like, oh, I can't do it. The world is coming to an end. I'm not a pastor. I can't speak to that. But it's very important to believe in yourself. That when the year begins like this, we have a lot of goals that we set. With these goals, what is next? If you don't have a strategy, if you don't have plans, if you don't know what you're doing, you're going to get discouraged because a lot of information is coming in, things are happening, you get sidetracked, you get distracted, and then before you know it, boom, you're back to the old ways. So believing in yourself is looking at your vision, looking at your purpose, whatever you're doing, your job. Maybe you're looking for an advancement at your workplace, you're looking to start a business, you're looking to write that exam or start a new career, and you're like, oh, I can't do it. But you can do it. It starts with you believing in yourself. So today I'm going to talk about 10 ways that is going to help you to believe in yourself this 2021. As you have plans and your goals. So the first one is realize that it starts with you. Yes, that vision, that business, that career, that job, that management position that you're looking for, it starts with you. Whoever is going to tell you no, or you can't do it or whatever, wait first. It's not about them. It's about you. So it starts with you. Believe that you can do it. Look at it. Look at yourself doing it already. Walk in those shoes. Walk in that management position. Walk in that business that you're looking at. and you will see yourself moving into it. Encourage yourself daily. It's very important to encourage yourself daily. It doesn't just start and then you know it, boom. There's going to be discouragements on the way, but just hold on strong and know that it's all about you. It's all about your purpose. It's about your vision. It's about what you want to do to be fulfilled. And number 2 is examine your limiting beliefs. What is limiting you? What is holding you back? It might be maybe an experience from the past that you tried and you failed and you feel like, oh no, I can't do it. Maybe you write an exam in the past and you failed and you're like, oh, I can't do it. If I write another exam, I can't pass because I failed in the past. Or maybe you started a business before and you did not succeed. Yes, there's failures. There's going to be a lot of things that will happen, but don't forget that those limiting beliefs will come up, but you have to hold on and keep believing in yourself and take those failures, those discouragement as a learning opportunity to keep going. Number 3 is learn to respect and love yourself. I'm glad Bella is here. Hi, Edwin. Thank you for joining. I'm glad Coach Bella is here. She will tell you the importance of self-love, the importance of looking within, the importance of having that relationship with you. Respect yourself and say you can do it. So what respect do you give to yourself? When you look at yourself, I was in a session this morning and the speaker was very amazing. She's like, when you look at yourself, what do you see? Do you see a failure or do you see a successful person? So believe that it's all about you and you love yourself so much that you can do it and you are valuable to the world, to your community, and to whatever you want to engage in. That was the 3rd point. The 4th point is use the law of attraction. The law of attraction, the things that you believe in, the things that you put your mind into are definitely going to come your way. If you have a positive mindset that I can do it, I have the self-confidence that I can do it, no matter whatever is happening out there, no matter if people are going to like me, no matter whatever, I'm holding on and I know that I can do it. And you attract that positive energy. As you do it, start with little steps, little goals. As you do it, you will see that it's beginning to open up and things are getting better and better. And you are going to see that that business is succeeding, or that a management position that you're looking at, it's all in your hands. Don't stay at a job place in the same position for so long without advancing. Just because you're fearful of applying for a management position within the same company or in another company, you're worth more than that. The next point is be inspired. Who do you surround yourself with? What are you reading? What are you watching? What are you eating? Be inspired by all those things. It helps you to believe in yourself. It helps you to stand strong. It helps you to stay strong. It helps you to stay strong. It helps you to stand strong. So feed your mind with things that can help grow you. Invest in education. Invest in mentors. Invest in people that can lift you up. If you know that you want to start a new venture and you have people that if you tell them, they're going to hold you back or they're going to slow you down, stay away from such people. Or talk, you can they can be your friends from a distance, but when it comes to growing yourself, let them be away from you because you're not going to grow in that community. When you look at growing, look at the people that are where you want to be. Strive for what they're doing. What is their secret? What is their strategy? How did they get there? Look for those strategies, those techniques, and then and practice it slowly. If you have to ask for help. Ask for help. Nobody can do it alone. Ask for help is very important. And then the next point is remember your past success. You are at this stage not because you just jump from anywhere. You've had failures, you've had successes. So how did you do it? How did you get to those successes? Those are the things that should boost you up. If you have done it before, you can do it again, no matter the fact that you've failed in some. Yes, failure is part of the process. Yes, you're going to hit some bumps on the road. Yes, it's going to be difficult. But you know what? Stay strong and look at those days that you did it. Evaluate what did you do to get there, and then you can do those things again. The next one is face your fears. Most often, we don't like to face our fears. A little story I'll tell you. When I first thought about diving into my purpose of supporting women and becoming a coach and stuff like that, I was so fearful. I was like, who is even going to listen to me? What message do I have? And what am I really going to say? But as I developed myself and believed in myself and faced my fears, and I knew that I had that purpose, God was calling me. There was just that instinct, there was just that intuition, there was just that noise that wouldn't die down to go at what I wanted to do. I did. At first, it felt like I was just wasting time. But as I've been doing it, God has been giving me strategies, God has been giving me information, and also I've been developing to learn more about myself and how to be able to show up. And it's slowly and slowly I'm getting results. And that is how it starts. I was able to face my fears. 2 Timothy 1:7. God has not given us the spirit of fear. He has given us boldness. He has given us power to be bold, to stand, to go for what we want. Just do it. Start now and just do it. Don't wait for time. Tomorrow is nobody's name. Next year will, another next year will always come. There will always be a next year, there will always be a tomorrow. Don't have excuses. Let your excuses be your action taker. Let them be your fuel to start. Because let's say if I was waiting for another year before I start the 1 year and the process that I've gone through, I wouldn't have known anything. But I've learned so much. I have failed in so many. If you want to hear my failures, yes, contact me. I'll tell you so many of them. But in it all, I see myself as a success because I've achieved so much. It started with me facing my fears. And another one is create goals. This is the beginning of the year. I'm sure we all have goals. Have a vision, create your goals. Have a vision, create your goals. I can never emphasize on that enough. It's the beginning of the year. As you have a vision, create your goals. Have daily tasks that are going to help you towards achieving that vision or those goals. Have strategies. Don't just have goals and write them down. That is not enough. If you have strategies or little steps that are going to help you to achieve those goals, then it keeps you focused. It keeps you to be intentional. It keeps you consistent. And it keeps you going and believing in yourself. And you evaluate as you go. Evaluate as you go. It's very important to evaluate what is working, what is not working, what do I need to change, what do I need to keep doing more of that is working. The next one is learn a new skill, invest in yourself, learn to be a better version of yourself. There's one thing that has really been really helpful to me is investing in myself, like getting a coach. That was something that really helped me. If I didn't get a coach, I wouldn't be here speaking. If I didn't get support, I wouldn't be here speaking. If I didn't invest in becoming a certified coach, I wouldn't know what I'm doing. I wouldn't have strategies. I wouldn't have ways to take action. So invest in the new skills. There are a lot of free courses online that we can take to invest to know more about ourselves. Because as you invest in yourself, you learn more about yourself. Then you learn more about your strengths and what you can do, what you cannot do. It helps you to pick up on those opportunities that come your way, and you are able to take action towards those opportunities, because we all want to grow. We all want to look 3 months from now, as you do your evaluation of 2021 so far, you're like, oh, I started with this many goals and this is how much I have achieved and this is how many things I've been doing. Yes, thank you. Thank you, Sheila. Examine your limiting beliefs for sure. Yes. And another one is keep going no matter what. Don't look behind. Your scars will always be there, but keep going. Just stay focused. Keep going and confess Confess, confess. Positive confirmations. Speak the things that are not as though they were. As you speak them, the subconscious is going to bring those opportunities to you for you to be able to take them. And pray, 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 pray to God. If God has called you, if God has laid that vision, that purpose, that career advancement that you want to take, that business opportunity in your heart, He is going to give you the resources. How far do you see yourself? God asked Jeremiah, what do you see? And Jeremiah told him what he sees. And God is like, because you have seen that, I will quicken your steps. So our God is a God of speed, but He needs you to be able to see and believe that it's true. Even when Abraham separated from his brother, God asks, when you look to the other side, what do you see? As far as you can see, that is how much I'm going to give to you. So confess those things. The things that happen in this world today, nothing is new. They're all in the Bible. The way the father, our father of faith, Abraham, what he did to get amazing results, we are his children. There's no reason why we shouldn't get those results. But most often we limit ourselves. Most often we don't believe that we can do it. So my question for you is, do you believe that you can do it? This is 2020. This is 2021, sorry. What were you doing in 2020 that you want to change in 2021? Are you still going to do the same thing and expecting that you're going to get different results? Are you still going to sit in your comfort zone and be like, you know what? I'll just leave things the way they are because I'm not good in business. I'm not good. I don't know how to be a manager. I've gone to school. I don't want to do any more schooling. What are you telling yourself? How are you increasing yourself? How are you trying to be a better person in your community, in the world at large? Those are the questions that you should ask yourself. If you need support, nobody is an island. Get help, get support, align with your purpose, potential, and abilities. And you will see that you can move mountains. There is no magic but to start. You will not know if you can do it unless you start. And like I said, there will be a lot of failures. But start somewhere and you will see yourself doing great and amazing. It's been a great time with you. And I will see you next Wednesday for our Author's Path live show with Dr. Francis. I am going to be showing off more often to just give us ways to learn and build ourselves because we need it. Thank you all so much and have a good day. Bye. Thank you all those who are watching. Thank you, my sister Justine. Thank you, Bella. Thank you, Charlotte. Thank you. Thank you, Lem. Thank you, Edwin. Thank you all so much. Thank you for joining, for tuning in. I hope I was able to hit some nuggets for you or hit something home. But my last message is believe in yourself and you can do it. Start now. You can do it. Start